Kids, do you know the different parts of the house? Let's go. Bedroom, bedroom. Bathroom, bathroom. Living room, living room. Kitchen, kitchen. Backyard, backyard. Laundry room, laundry room. Dining room, dining room. Study, study. Garage, garage. Garden, garden. Terrace, terrace.